Hello, welcome to this PISA course material. It is based on the Open edX publishing platform that was developed by MIT and Harvard in 2012 and has gained a large following internationally with more than 60 million users nowadays. And we have been working on this since 2015. And we have tried to extract a model that can support us in how to make online learning materials. And the course is about that, and it's aligned with some other online materials as well, but this is sort of focused on what we call the PISA model, relating to the letters behind here, not the international PISA investigation. And the model has starts with three main components, namely the teacher or lecturer, in which I play the role as of now. And then, of course, very important, students. And the relationship between the teacher and the student is still very important, even if you go online or do digital teaching and learning. But the third element is also of prime importance, namely the online teaching materials, the literature. And so when we make online courses, it's the literature that we are focusing on, but for a certain usage pattern, which is demonstrated here. And within that triangle, we have isolated four components, namely P for presentations, like the one you see now. It might be video, it might be audio, it might be written, it might be still images, and so on and so forth. The point is it's one-to-many. Then we have interactions, which is pre-programmed assignments that students use to interact with the computer system, and they give their answer and the system answers back. So you get some feedback based on the teacher's knowledge on what students normally understand or where they may mistake, and so on and so forth. So you can sort of, it's a kind of frequently asked questions with answers to those, but in a pre-programmed way. And we have the S for social interaction, for seminar or like traditional way where you meet face-to-face, or webinar when you do so online. And we think that online webinars should not be sort of wall-to-wall online, many people in the same virtual room at the same time. That becomes tedious if it's too long. It should play together with these other things, so that you sometimes work on your own or in smaller groups online, and then meet for plenary meetings in between. And finally, the A is for analytics, to analyze not only the materials and the interactions, but everything together in order to improve the material for the next revision. That's basically the PISA model. I wish you welcome to this material. You can study it on your own. We can also organize courses with groups, either distributed or groups that can meet together. And then also one-on-one, as the case might be. See you around.